We were here at about 10:45 and ended up waiting 45 minutes to be able to be allowed in. Well, we're here finally on the Hoh Mosses Trail. It's the end of June. It's the busy season, and the trail is just swarming with people, more than there are mosquitoes. So far, it's been a neat little trail. So it's been dry the last few days. This is a perfect day to take this trail. There are no mosquitoes, and we're not soaking wet. There are some small elevation changes, and the path does get a little rocky from time to time, but it's still quite pleasant. The loop is 3/4 of a mile long, but you have to walk into the park for about 1/10 of a mile, maybe 2/10 of a mile before you start. So just call it a mile. Not sure if this is a loop trail or an out and back. Guess we should have looked before we started. As soon as I said that about the trail, I found a sign that says it is a loop. And we can go left or right, but it's meant to be taken clockwise. So the trail is very similar so far to what we had on the Hoh Mosses. Dirt, gravel laid down, gently rolling. Supposedly there's mama elk with her calf in the area, and she's aggressive, obviously, so we're keeping our eyes peeled. This is a really nice trail. Very unpopular compared to that of the Hoh Mosses. It's about twice as long, but it's gorgeous, and I love that it's much quieter than where we have been. So the Spruce Trail comes down by the Hoh River. Very shallow river, but it's fast moving. Huge floods last year that wiped out part of the road in. Fortunately, they got it fixed. So the trail runs along a little creek. It's beautiful. This is a great trail. We've enjoyed it tremendously.